I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a restore point and running Registry Editor as administrator. That gives you undo options if anything breaks. Once done, navigate to the software key path, HKey local machine /software, and HKey current user /software. Make sure to export any key you plan to change. Right-click and export to a reg file so you can restore it. Also check 32-bit apps under WOW 6432 node. This prepares you to safely remove entries without guessing where settings live. Now you search for the app by vendor or product name using Edit, Find that targets relevant keys. Once found, review key contents. Values like install location or uninstall string confirm it's the right entry. Delete keys only when sure by right-clicking and choosing Delete. Make sure to check uninstall keys under HKey local machine /software, /Microsoft /Windows, /current version /uninstall, and the WOW 6432 node equivalent for 32-bit remnants. If you encounter access denied, take ownership of the key before deleting. After deletion, restart Windows Explorer or reboot so services pick up changes. Registry edits often need a restart. If something goes wrong, immediately import the reg backup you exported or use the system restore point you created. Make sure to clear related files in program files and app data if leftover. If the removed software still appears, run auto runs to clean startup references and check the uninstall key again. These final steps ensure a clean removal and a clear rollback path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.